This is question number 1 of our WAEC 2025 past question. Now, if we have this equals to x plus y root 5, find the value of x plus y. To do this, don't stress yourself by cross multiplying. What you just have to do is solve the left-hand side and make sure it is equivalent to the right-hand side. And after that, we compare the coefficients together. Now, to do that, we have the left-hand side giving us square root of 5 minus 3 over 2 root 5 plus 3. If you have something like this in SURD, what you have to do is to rationalize. And by rationalizing, that is, this is going to be multiplied by 2 root 5 minus 3, 2 root 5 plus minus 3. Now, let's multiply out. Root 5 times 2 root 5. There's a rule in SURD that says root b multiplied by root b is the same thing as b. So I'm going to use the rule. So root 5 multiplying to root 5. This is going to be 2 times 5. Root 5 multiplying negative 3 is going to be negative 3 root 5. Also, let's use this. Negative 3 multiplying to root 5 is going to be negative 6 root 5. Negative 3 multiplying negative 3 is going to be plus 9. What about the denominator? 2 root 5 multiplying to root 5 is going to be 4 times 5. 2 root 5 multiplying negative 3 is going to be negative 6 root 5. 3 multiplying 2 root 5 is going to be plus 6 root 5. And lastly, 3 multiplying negative 3 is going to be negative 9. Now, to proceed with this, 2 times 5 is the same thing as 10. Negative 3 root 5, negative 6 root 5 is going to be negative 9 root 5 plus 9. And the denominator, negative 6 plus 6 root 5 cancelled out. So here we have 20 minus 9. Solving this further, 10 plus 9 is the same thing as 19 minus 9 root 5 divided by 11. There's another rule that says when you have a plus b over c, this can be written as a over c plus b over c. So applying the same rule here, this expression can be written as 19 over 11 minus 9 root 5 over 11. This is my x, while this is my y. Root 5 is going to be the corresponding coefficient. Okay? Now, here, I've gotten my x to be this, y to be 9 over root 5. And the question says, what is x plus y? So x is 19 over 11 plus y, which is negative 9 over 11. If you solve this, this is the same thing as 19 minus 9 all over 11. And this is the same thing as 10 over 11. If you look at the options we have, option B is the right option. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so that you can see question number 2 in my next video. Thank you.